I spent over 65 hours testing Constant Contact, Kit, and these 7 other email marketing tools. So in this Constant Contact versus Kit comparison, I'll break down their key features like landing page builder, email marketing automation, customer support, and their pricing plans. I'll also score both platforms out of 5 and give you my personal recommendations so that by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which is the best email marketing provider for you. Ease of use. Both platforms are easy to use, but Kit feels more modern and organized. Constant Contact is easy to navigate, but the design looks outdated and the platform can be slow with longer page load times. They do have a help button you can click from almost anywhere, which is helpful. Kit's platform is easy to use and organizes features by goals like grow, send, and earn. This makes it simple to find what you need. They also give you a 7-step checklist to get started, which is really helpful. Some features look similar at first, so it takes a little getting used to. Constant Contact's editor is easy to use and comes with standard blocks like buttons and images, plus unique items like event and RSVP blocks. However, it can feel a bit basic and outdated. Kit offers a visual editor that's fast and easy to understand, but it doesn't have the drag and drop flexibility you find in other platforms. Instead, you add content by typing / or clicking the plus button. Kit stands out with up to 27 different content types, including polls, countdown timers, and even Spotify. Constant Contact offers over 200 templates, but most look simple and outdated. You can upload your own HTML templates and save brand elements, but you can't save and reuse individual content blocks. Kit has 15 email templates, which are more basic than most competitors. You can upload HTML to create your own templates and save content snippets to reuse, but you can't set styles globally for all templates. Constant Contact's landing page builder is very basic, with only one plain option and limited content blocks. Customization is restrictive and you can't create complex funnels or highly customized designs. For forms, you get different types but no templates, and you can only add text and date fields. Kit's landing page editor provides 53 modern templates, and you can create as many as you want. However, design options are limited and you can't A/B test your landing pages. You can add your own domain, even on the free plan. Kit also lets you create embedded, pop-up, and slide-in forms with some nice designs. Kit wins ease of use with a more modern interface, better organization, and more content options. While Constant Contact offers more templates, Kit's goal-based navigation, unique content types, and helpful setup checklists make it easier and more enjoyable to use. Features. Constant Contact offers decent segmentation, but you can only create one custom segment on their Lite plan. They also charge you for unsubscribed, deleted, and duplicate contacts, which can add up. Kit lets you import subscribers with CSV or directly from tools like ActiveCampaign and MailChimp. The tagging system is flexible and you can create segments based on opens, clicks, and purchases. Constant Contact's automations are very limited. On the Lite plan, you can only do basic campaigns like welcome emails. To send e-commerce emails or use custom automations, you must upgrade to their highest tier. The automations aren't flexible and there are no web tracking, lead scoring, or A/B testing features. Kit's visual automations let you build custom sequences based on triggers like form signups or purchases. You can set actions like adding tags or subscribing to sequences. Kit is missing some advanced automations like abandoned cart triggers and split testing, but it's still more flexible than Constant Contact. Constant Contact provides 58 native integrations with platforms like WordPress, Shopify, and Stripe. There are thousands more available through Zapier, but some take more work to set up. Kit has 37 native integrations with platforms like Canva, Shopify, and Thinkific, plus another 135 under legacy integrations. Some integrations require extra setup though, but Kit covers most creative-focused needs. Constant Contact doesn't offer built-in tools for selling digital products or creating paid newsletters. You'll need to rely on third-party integrations for e-commerce functionality. Kit lets you sell digital products straight from their platform with Stripe and 0% fees. You can also create paid newsletters and even earn money by recommending other creators. These features are rare and make Kit stand out for creators. Both platforms have great deliverability rates. Constant Contact has a 92% score, which is up there with the very best. Kit has a 91.3% score, which is also very strong. So you don't have to worry about email getting stuck in spam folders with either of these platforms. Constant Contact provides standard reports like open and click rates, plus bounce, spam, and unsubscribe rates. There are useful items like bot clicks removed and desktop or mobile opens. They also have a heat map feature, but you'll need to upgrade to premium to use it. Kit's reporting includes open and click rates, bounce rates, and an engagement funnel. The Pro plan adds features like subscriber sentiment tracking and customer journey insights. However, Kit's reports are not as advanced as some tools that offer heat maps or custom reports. Kit wins features with better monetization tools and more flexible automation. While Constant Contact has more integrations and slightly better reporting, Kit's built-in digital product sales, paid newsletter options, and flexible tagging make it the best choice for creators and small businesses. Customer support. Constant Contact doesn't offer hands-on migration support. They position themselves as a self-serve platform. While their customer success team can guide you, you'll have to do the heavy lifting yourself. Kit offers personalized migration help on the Creator and Pro plans. For fewer than 5,000 contacts, they'll help move over lists, tags, groups, and segments. And for more than 5,000 contacts, you'll also get help migrating forms, emails, automations, templates, and integrations, all for free. Both platforms have mixed customer satisfaction ratings. Constant Contact has a solid 4 rating with over 1,000 reviews. The main complaints are about pricing and being charged for unsubscribed, deleted, and duplicate contacts. Users are also frustrated about having to call customer support to cancel their plan. Kit has a low 1.7 rating on Trustpilot, but this is based on only 22 reviews, so it may not be a fair reflection. Most complaints are about customer service and unexpected renewal charges, so keep an eye on your billing. Constant Contact offers several support channels, including email, live chat, phone support, a knowledge base, and community support. However, chat and phone support are not available 24/7, and you need to call to cancel your subscription. Kit provides great customer support, even on the free plan. Responses come back fairly quickly and are clear. You can contact them via email on the free plan and 24/7 live chat on the Creator and Creator Pro plans. They also provide useful tutorials, though some could be more detailed. Kit wins customer support with better migration help and more responsive support. Kit offers comprehensive migrations assistance and 24/7 live chat on paid plans, while Constant Contact requires you to call for cancellation and has inconsistent support availability. Pricing. This is where the difference is huge. Constant Contact offers a free trial, but no permanent free plan. The Lite plan starts at $80 per month for 5,000 contacts, but is very limited with only one custom segment and basic automation features. The standard plan starts at $110 per month, and the premium plan jumps to $200 per month. The biggest issue is that you're always charged for the highest number of contacts you've ever had, even if you've deleted thousands of contacts. Kit offers a free plan for up to 10,000 subscribers, which is the best in the industry. The free plan includes basic features like email campaigns, landing pages, and forms, but you'll need to upgrade to use their advanced automations and monetization features. For 5,000 subscribers, you'll pay $89 per month on the Creator plan, and Creator Pro jumping up to $139 per month. These prices are competitive with other creator-focused platforms. Kit wins pricing with a much more generous free plan and better value for creators. Kit's free plan supports up to 10,000 subscribers versus Constant Contact's no free plan, making it much easier to get started. While both platforms are expensive for larger lists, Kit's creator-focused features and built-in monetization tools make it a better value for most users. I also have a special discount to save you money on both these tools, so check out the links in the description below. Kit is the clear winner, and it's not even close. They won every category in my comparison. Now, while Constant Contact has been around for a long time and offers solid integrations, It's no longer competitive in today's market. So if you're ready to get started with Kit, then I recommend you watch this full Kit tutorial next. But if you want a better alternative to Constant Contact, then this is my personal recommendation for you.